Hey guys, I got to keep it short and sweet tonight. I left work early today. Went, my wife and I went and met my son and his girlfriend down at Universal. I rode the Velocicoaster twice. Hagrid's coaster, whatever they call that, is awesome too. Harry Potter, some drinks. It was really a really fun afternoon. I'm really glad I did it. The market wasn't so great anyway. So anyway, I'll be back to full time tomorrow. But you can see the spy kind of rolling over here. Anyway, I don't have much of a voice because I was just having a good time. So I'm gonna get short and sweet and get right to what I'm watching for tomorrow. XCNE big breakout today. See if he gives some kind of follow through setup tomorrow. Excuse me, it's bad. MXC. Big breakout today. It's one of the lower float oil and gas plays. We'll see if it gives a setup tomorrow. I didn't type that right. CEI. Massive move here. Now you got 3 days in a row down. It's in the oil and gas field too. So that one goes on bounce watch for tomorrow. MQ, just another red day. So it goes back on bounce watch. HLTH, same thing. DATS, kind of a recent high flyer with 4 red days in a row now. Goes on bounce watch. PALT, definitely a recent high flyer. 3 days in a row. Declining volume for sure. That goes on bounce watch. That's PALT. IONQ, a lot of ugly charts, right? But we're looking for, as day traders, we're looking for snapback bounces with an A plus intraday setup. We all know what to look for in the chat room. This is, these are some of my favorite setups, even though the daily charts are ugly, right? IONQ, another one. I mean, you could just simplify it and say, hey, this was almost 13 bucks, what, like 6 sessions ago? And it's been almost cut in half, getting aggressive or getting accelerating you, if you will, to the downside. Pretty good possible snapback bounce setup. We'll see what it does tomorrow, though, right? IRNT, again, there's another one like two and a half weeks ago. It was almost 50 bucks, and now it's worked its way all the way down to $12.99. Pretty good bounce play setup, even though it's super beaten up. A few more. AEHR, nice bounce today right off that 20-day. Nice green candle. We're looking for a follow-through of today's bounce. ONDS also holding up really well in a week tape. Had a nice pop back here. Topped out at 10 a few days ago and is really kind of flagging. And then lastly, GREE, G-R-E-E. It just really seems to have found support around 24. And if you look at the intraday today, had a pretty nice run from 24.50 to almost 28 over the course of a little over an hour. So you know what? That put it on my radar. We're going to watch it tomorrow. Well, I had gappers to this in the pre-market as well. And before I completely lose my voice, I'm going to wrap it up. And I'm up later than I wanted to be because I still have to shower and all that stuff. And it's almost 11 o'clock at night. So, all right, I'm done babbling. See you guys in the chat room in the morning.